Assalamu alaikum my YouTube family. I hope you're all doing well. Today I'm back with another amazing recipe. It is very easy to prepare. Everything can be prepared in one dish and it's trending right now. So let's make together very simple and very easy oven baked spaghetti. And of course it's a TikTok recipe. So let's start. First of all, take an oven safe casserole dish, and in that I'm taking one whole pack of spaghetti. I'm taking whole wheat spaghetti. You can take any spaghetti you like. And now we're gonna add pasta to the dish. I broke the pasta in half so it can fit easily in my casserole dish. Now add about 13 ounces of pasta sauce, which is exactly equal the amount of my pasta. Now add one large chopped onion, then add 4 chopped garlic cloves, add 1 teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of black pepper, and you can adjust it according to your flavor. Now add 1 chopped jalapeno. This is optional. I like it spicy, so I added it. You can completely skip this. Next, I'm adding some oregano. You can add it according to your flavor. Now add about 3 cups of water. We have to put enough to cover the pasta because everything is going to cook in this dish. Now I'm adding some extra virgin olive oil. You can put regular oil, any oil you like. Now we're gonna mix it well so pasta does not stick together. Now we're gonna cover it with aluminum foil and we're gonna bake it at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 minutes. Halfway through, take out your casserole dish out of the oven and we're gonna stir it in between so the pasta does not stick together. You can see there's still a lot of water in there. And now we're gonna cover it again and put it back in the oven. So after 45 minutes, you can see most of the water has evaporated and our pasta has already cooked. So now give it a quick mix and put some mozzarella cheese on top, so give it an extra flavor. I am also adding some Mexican cheese on top. You can put cheddar cheese if you like, or you can completely skip this cheese. Now we're gonna bake it again. Now this time we're gonna keep it uncovered and bake it for another 10 minutes until the cheese has melted on top, and you can see our pasta is fresh out of the oven and you can see that melted cheese and how it's still sizzling. It looks absolutely amazing and I cannot wait to dig into it. So here is our pasta. You can see how amazing it looks. You can see the spaghetti has cooked evenly in that oven. Everything was prepared in one dish. There was no straining of water, there was no boiling of pasta and preparation of the sauce separately. Everything was cooked together and it turned out amazing. Salt and pepper was perfect, sauce was perfect, everything was amazing. And this dish is great for parties. You can make it on the go. I hope you liked this recipe. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section if you would like to see more videos. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Allah Hafiz.